Before humanity entered the digital age, electricity was visible, lightning, fire, power lines, but modern technology introduced invisible dangers, tiny electrical charges capable of destroying systems too small for the eye to fully understand. And humans responded with new forms of protection. The anti-static suit emerged from that necessity, not as fashion, but as environmental control, because clothing was never just clothing. Static electricity forms constantly through friction between surfaces. Fabric against skin, movement against air. Ordinary human motion generates electrical charge naturally. For most of history, this meant nothing, but inside modern technological environments, even microscopic discharge became dangerous. Semiconductor manufacturing, aerospace engineering, laboratory systems, sensitive electronics. A single static spark could destroy precision components instantly. The anti-static suit became wearable isolation against invisible interference. Conductive fibers redistributed electrical charge safely. Sealed fabrics reduced contamination. Controlled textures minimized friction accumulation. Every detail existed to stabilize environments humans could barely perceive. Psychologically, sterile protective clothing creates powerful emotional responses. The human brain associates sealed garments with precision control, scientific authority, dehumanization. The anti-static suit especially feels emotionally distant because it removes ordinary visual identity. Hair disappears, skin disappears, texture becomes artificial, the body transforms into part of the system itself. Cinema and science fiction amplified this symbolism dramatically. Cleanroom suits became visual shorthand for advanced technology, biological danger, artificial environments, future societies. Characters wearing sterile suits often appear detached from ordinary human life. Emotion becomes secondary to procedure. The suit creates visual separation between humanity and contamination. Modern technological culture intensified these aesthetics further. Minimal white interiors, reflective surfaces, monochrome industrial clothing. The anti-static suit became part of futuristic visual language. Not rugged survival, but controlled survival, protection against forces impossible to see directly. This reflects a major psychological shift within modern civilization. Ancient humans feared visible predators. Modern humans increasingly fear invisible systems, radiation, viruses, data corruption, microscopic contamination, electrical instability. The anti-static suit represents adaptation to that new reality. A garment designed not against physical attack, but against invisible disruption. Even movement changes while wearing it. People walk more carefully, touch surfaces differently, become hyper-aware of environmental interaction. The suit alters behavior through procedural discipline, and perhaps that is why anti-static clothing feels strangely futuristic even today. Because beneath the synthetic fibers and sterile surfaces, it represents humanity entering environments beyond natural perception, worlds where invisible particles determine success or failure, a sealed layer standing between the human body and microscopic chaos, silent, controlled, emotionless, designed for a civilization built on invisible systems.